If you're having trouble making your chicken lumpia uniform in size and shape, I'll share with you a simple trick. It's a game changer. Today, I take on the challenge of making the tastiest chicken lumpia. In a mixing bowl, combine the ground chicken. You can also replace it with pork or beef, carrot, yellow onion, garlic, scallions, salt, black pepper, oyster sauce, and 1 large egg. The egg serves a dual purpose. It makes the filling tender and helps to bind everything together. Use your hands or a spatula to mix everything thoroughly until the mixture is uniform and well combined. In a small bowl, beat another egg for sealing the wrappers. Place a pastry bag in a glass. Scoop the filling inside and tied up the opening. With a simple trick, all our lumpia will be uniform in size and shape. It's incredibly quick, easy, and no mess at all. Cut open the tip. Lay a spring roll wrapper flat with a corner pointing toward you. Squeeze the filling across the wrapper. Fold the bottom corner up, then the 2 sides to the center. Continue rolling it up. Brush beaten egg over the top. Roll it up all the way. Repeat with the rest. In a large pot over high heat, pour in the oil and heat it up to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully add the chicken lumpia, a few at a time. Fry until golden brown for about 5 minutes. And turn them frequently so that they brown evenly. Remove and drain the oil. You can serve the lumpia with your favorite dipping sauce or my homemade sweet chili sauce. And click on the link right here for my sweet chili sauce recipe. It is so crispy, absolutely delicious. I love it. Comment below and let me know what is your favorite filling for lumpia. And subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!